As President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, I will defend Zimbabwe and obey, uphold, and defend the Constitution and all the laws of Zimbabwe. And that I will promote whatever will advance and oppose whatever may harm Zimbabwe. That I will protect and promote the rights of the people of Zimbabwe.